Here is how we can turn on emojis on the iPad. So right now, if I try to type something in, I can do whatever I want, but I simply cannot get to the Emoji Keyboard. And the reason is simple. It is not added to my iPad. So for this, I need to go to the Settings app like this, and in the General section, when I scroll below, I can find the Keyboard menu. And in the keyboard, and at the top, you have another menu, which is as well titled Keyboards. You click on it, and this is going to show you which types of keyboard you currently have installed on your iPad. So in my case, I have the English keyboard and the Spanish one. That's fine, but we need to add emojis to this list. So we're going to tap on Add New Keyboard button below like this. This is going to suggest a bunch of different languages. To me, it already suggests Emoji Keyboard, so I can tap it. And if you don't see it, you can also use the search and type in emoji there. And make sure you add it like this. So right now, I don't have only the English, Spanish, but emoji has also been added. So that's nice. I can come back from the settings, and right now, if I go to the messages, for example, and start typing in on my keyboard, I can hold down on the globe icon in the bottom left corner and switch from English to Spanish as well as to Emoji Keyboard. And now I have managed to turn it on. I can now add it. I can use it. Very simple stuff. So you can then come back to English and then come back to the emojis. Very useful, and that's essentially it. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.